Hello everyone, I am Appukalai with the whole family and with my sweet Tangachi and Dhanush with Vijayanna. We are now here at a theatre inside a box one. This is so cool. It's an air conditioned room and we are here at the Theatre Impala in Tirunagar. So we are enjoying the film Madhagadha Raja, which is very tricky and it is very comical one. So it is very drizzy now and we are all eating some snacks and enjoying over it. And Devi is very, she is very inquisitive and seriously, and this boy wants me to have this conversation in English. வணக்கம், நான் அப்புக்கலை. நாங்கள் இருக்கும் இடம் தியேட்டர் சினிமா தியேட்டரில் இன்றைய பயணம். The travel is on in a cinema theater in Impala in திருநகர் மதுரை. இந்த நிகழ்வு மகிழ்ச்சியாகவும் சிறப்பாகவும் அமைந்திருக்கிறது. நான் அப்புக்கலை. It's against அப்புக்கலை signing off. I'll see you in the next travel log. Bye. Thank you.